difference between PCOD and PCOS? Are they same? People often get confused about polycystic ovarian syndrome and polycystic ovarian disease. Both these diseases are associated with ovaries. PCOS is an endocrine system disorder, while PCOD is a condition developed by the hormonal imbalance. What is PCOS? PCOS is a metabolic disorder that is more severe than PCOD. In this condition, the ovaries produces the higher quantity of male hormone, and this leads to the formation of more than 10 follicle cysts in the ovaries every month. And this interferes with the ovulation process. Instead of releasing egg during ovulation, this cyst build up in the ovaries and may even get enlarged. Now, what is PCOD? PCOD is a condition in which the ovaries contains many immature and partially mature eggs. They eventually turn into cysts, and junk food, being overweight, stress, hormonal disturbances give birth to this condition. The ovaries usually become enlarged in this problem, and it secretes large amount of androgens that cause havoc with the woman's fertility and her body. So PCOD and PCOS, which are associated with faulty ovaries, include symptoms like irregular periods, and they are common with both. PCOD and PCOS, which are associated with faulty ovaries, include symptoms like irregular periods. This is common for both, and both are caused by hormonal imbalance, and it contributes to infertility. But PCOD is not a serious issue like PCOS, which is more severe form of this syndrome. A healthy and holistic diet along with regular exercise is recommended for both of these disorders. And the lifestyle changes will help regulate menstrual cycle, and it can lower your blood glucose level in the body. Losing weight will help in coping with all these problems. So to learn more about PCOD and PCOS, keep watching my next videos. Thank you.